Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this burgundy Mazda 2. Now, of course, as you can see, it is a standard vehicle. You do get these painted alloy wheels as standard as well. They are a 16-inch, and of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. Now, of course, with this being a 61, it is quite an old car, so it is limited on specification. But coming into the tailgate, you do get plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split, folding rear seats. Then coming back out and around, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car, you do get full cloth interior with Isofix mounting points in the rear. Then coming in the front, the cloth interior continues, which you can see just there. You've then got a 5-speed manual gearbox. We've got your circulation controls at the bottom. Got your air conditioning controls with aircon just there. Then we've got your radio media, so you've got CD aux, AM and FM. And then coming over to the steering wheel, we do have your source, your information, mute button, volume and track select on the outer edges. As you can see, this Mazda 2 has done 54,387 miles. But jumping back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this Mazda 2, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.